In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Jotform. Whether you're a beginner or you've been using Jotform for a while, understanding how to efficiently undo actions is a vital skill to have. It helps maintain your work's integrity without losing progress when things need to be adjusted. Let's dive right into the process. Imagine you're in the middle of editing one of your forms and you realize you've made a mistake or simply want to revert to a prior state. The quickest and most straightforward way to do this is by using a familiar keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows machine, you can press Ctrl plus Z. Meanwhile, for those of you working on a Mac, the equivalent shortcut is CMD plus Z. This command will immediately undo your last action, bringing back anything you might have accidentally deleted or altered. Now, if you're someone who prefers using the mouse or trackpad rather than keyboard shortcuts, Jotform has got you covered with an intuitive interface. Simply head over to the Form Builder toolbar, which is conveniently located at the top of your screen. Look for the Undo button, which is characterized by a curved arrow icon. A quick click on this button will achieve the same undo effect as the keyboard shortcut. An outstanding feature of Jotform's undo functionality is its ability to handle multiple consecutive actions. This means that if you realize a series of steps need to be undone, you're not restricted to just the last one. You can keep using the Ctrl or CMD plus Z shortcut, or repeatedly click the undo button to step back through as many actions as needed. This is particularly useful for extensive edits where you need to reverse several changes. Knowing how to effectively undo actions can save you immense time and effort, ensuring that your forms remain accurate and error-free. It gives you the flexibility to experiment with layouts and content without the anxiety of permanent mistakes. This simple yet powerful tool empowers you to work comfortably, ensuring nothing stands in the way of producing polished and professional forms. That's it for today's tutorial on how to undo in Jotform. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful in navigating your next project with confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!